Hey guys, in this video I'll be showing you how to fix your limited Wi-Fi connection or your limited access to internet whenever connecting to Wi-Fi. Now down here you see I'm not connected to any Wi-Fi. Just change that. I'm gonna connect to any one of these. Connecting. I already entered the password, so it's just gonna connect automatically. It won't prompt me to enter in the password. A little bit. Okay, good. It's connected, but it's telling me limited connection or limited. When I go to open network share and sharing center, shows that I'm not getting any internet, no internet access. When I open up details, I'm getting an IP address. DHCP is alright, DNS server is alright, so the subnet mask is alright. So alright. Someone's wondering, why am I not getting any internet? Alright. Culprit of this is located in the adapter. So when you go to the adapter, go to properties, go to configure client for Microsoft networks, and then go to advanced, and you see this 802.11n mode. If it's enabled, you'd want to disable it, and if it's disabled, you'd want to enable it. Reason for this is because the 802.11n mode is a set, or rather the 802.11 is a set of IEE standards that control the wireless networking, and the latest version is the 802.11n mode, and this mode operates on a frequency of 5 gigahertz, well, between 5 gigahertz and 2.4 gigahertz. Now my wireless modem is running on a 20 to 30 megahertz frequency, so it ain't gonna be sending through on this. So by disabling it, I allow it to work on the 20 megahertz frequency. So that's basically it. You press OK. Give it some time. Attempting. Bam, you're connected. And you go down here. Yellow triangle gone. Just open and show you. You're connected to the internet. I'll try and browse. Oh, just to show you. But in my wireless modem, that's the frequency in which I'm connected to. So anything above that, it won't work on my laptop. Well, rather, yeah, it won't work on my laptop because my laptop will be aiming for something different. I'm gonna go here. Let's say, yeah, let's type in something. J. Okay. And there you go. That's how you solve that limited Wi-Fi connection. I hope this was of a little help to you. You know, I'm sorry for my little stutterings, but kind of feeling the flu. Yeah, thank you for watching my video. Thumbs up, like, share. I'm out.